Good Tuesday morning, everyone. Welcome back. This morning starting off similar for Great Falls and Helena in terms of the temperature. It's 21 degrees right now in the Electric City, but with the wind, it feels more like single digits out there. So there is a wind chill that is much chillier than the actual temperature outside in Great Falls. Helena, the winds are a little bit calmer, so the difference between the air temperature and wind chill is a little bit less. It's 26 degrees right now in the capital city, so similar to yesterday morning, but a couple of areas starting off a little chillier this morning. So on the radar right now, things are nice and clear. So we have this high pressure that has moved in after the little bit of low pressure that we had yesterday. So you can see the jet stream here across the United States, this little ridge over the western U.S., and that's going to be sticking around here for the next few days. So we are going to get some clearer weather for today, but there's a small little disturbance kind of coming through tomorrow. So you can see that ridge kind of turning into a funky shape for tomorrow, and that's going to be a little bit of a disturbance, and that will bring a slight chance for some snow and rain for tomorrow. But by the end of the week, that ridge is going to strengthen again. So this high pressure is going to be around for a while into the weekend through Saturday and Sunday and Monday as well. So we're going to have some cooler temperatures and of course temperature inversions due to that persistent high pressure that will be over us for a while. So inversions in the valleys, but north central Montana is going to be a little bit warmer and sunnier. It's not going to be too bad out there for some areas, but much chillier for others. There's always a big difference when high pressure comes in. So for the rest of today, it's going to be nice and clear. We're also going to get a bit of a break from all of the wind that we had yesterday. It's going to be less windy for today, but it's not going to last long. Tomorrow, you can see already by early morning, even late night tonight, some clouds starting to move in with this next front that's coming through, this small disturbance, and that's going to bring this chance of mixed precipitation. I don't like to use the term wintry mix very much because it's not really very helpful, but that just means there's a chance for rain, snow, and freezing rain depending on what elevation that you're at. So it's going to be kind of a mixed chance of all kinds of rain and snow for tomorrow. But then after that, that'll be clearing out fairly quickly, sticking around in the higher elevations a little bit longer. But other than that, we're going to have some clearer weather for the end of the week. That snow is really going to stay up in the mountains through the end of the week. And we'll have some calmer and clearer weather. Also today is not going to be too bad out there either. It will be still fairly chilly out there. A couple of areas not breaking the freezing point, but for the most part, a little bit nicer than yesterday. Certainly less windy, and it is going to be dry for today, although the temperatures are going to be a little bit chilly. So for the rest of the week, you can see a big difference here between Helena and Great Falls. So the temperatures in Helena are going to be much colder than Great Falls due to those temperature inversions we're going to have. Thursday a little bit warmer because the wind will be picking up, but that high is really going to stay in place through the end of the week, beginning of next week. So we are going to see a big difference. You can see the temperatures in Great Falls in the 50s, but in Helena in the 30s. So might be a good weekend to head up to Great Falls if you want some warmer weather.
I don't, Katie. I never thought I'd say this after last winter, but I miss it. I want the cold weather, I want the snow, I want to be able to like actually ski and ice fish. I know,
it has been kind of disappointing to not be able to enjoy all the wintry stuff, but I feel like I'm going to be kicking myself in a few weeks, not appreciating the warmth when we have it.
That's true. And until that happens, I'm going to hold you personally responsible for no winter weather coming through.
All right, you got it.
Okay, thanks, Katie.